and welcome to Coffee with Sachin. And in this video, we're gonna go to Mega Bangna or IKEA Bangna. It is one of the biggest mall in Bangkok, and I would say it is the biggest in terms of area. Here you can enjoy your time with your family and friends over the weekend. If it's too hot, you can go with your kids and enjoy the cuisine, and it's pretty big that if you go to one store for 15-20 minutes, you may finish whole journey in maybe 3 hours or 4 hours. The best part about this mall is IKEA Bangna, and IKEA Bangna in itself is very nice. I always like going there. Even though I don't buy stuff from there, I always like to tour there. It's very nice place to see how you can decorate your home, and also there are small things that you can carry from there. And there's a lot of good restaurants in Mega Bangna. You can also buy a lot of Thai stuff or a cheaper stuff as well, but at the same time they have very big stores as well. For example, Parada, Gucci or Jimmy Choo. You can find every kind of stores in Mega Bangna. So let's start with this journey and stay tuned. All right, if you go by car, you will go through the parking. There are many parking gates in IKEA Bangna, and this is the one that you basically, I think this one is more approachable from the expressway if you come by car or taxi from other side of Bangkok, maybe through expressway only. But if you come by non-expressway route from Bangna Tat, you probably go from different exit. And if you see this building on the right hand side, this building is the parking building only, it's not the mall building. So they have 7 floors for parking. They have multiple parking spaces available as well, because this particular mall is pretty much famous in most of Thai people as well as the foreigners. So you tend to see a lot of parking spaces here. Also, it's not that easy to find parking space in IKEA Bangna, so you need to plan your day accordingly. In here you will see a lot of foreigners as well, coming from tourism purposes as well. Okay, all right, after parking my car, I'm here in the main entrance of Mega Bangna. All right, as soon as you enter the main entrance, you will see a lot of places for kids to enjoy. And here in the ground floor, basically you will see a lot of side parks within the mall. I think you probably like it if you go with your kid, because they also have some small swimming pools where kids can even play in the mall for free. They don't charge for that one. You will see the great and the beautiful greenery view when you walk inside the mall. So that's why I recommended in beginning that it's a good place to go with your kids. You will see very nice scenic view while you walk down the trail, and this trail is inside the mall on the ground floor. If you go there, it's a must visit. You should see they also have some fan which are throwing water to make the temperature a bit cooler than normal. Normally at that place you find a lot of I would say fairs or local fairs about food or crafts and anything. And they have made it so beautiful that you will like every bit of it. Whenever you travel there, you're gonna enjoy the beautiful views on the ground floor. Malls in Thailand are always crafted beautifully. So this is a local market within mall at the same area on ground floor, where local vendors can also come and put their shop in. If you're a tourist, you can buy some souvenir from here. That would really be nice for you. Usually I have been here many times. if you see this place, people can sit and see the view. Sometimes they have concerts as well in this area. This is why you see some seats. People can enjoy their time on weekends. Mostly you see a lot of school going kids over there. Luckily I saw someone was singing song here, and she was singing very beautiful song. It is in Thai. I couldn't understand that much, but yeah, it sound very nice. Alright, this is the place I was saying that you probably wanna go, and kids will be swimming. So this area you see a lot of places for kids to play around and also swim. I really like this area because when you go with kids, they tend to disturb you, go here and there. But if you have such a place in mall, then they can enjoy. You see they created a beach area, and next to it they also have some area which is having water, and kids can play in water during summers as well as winters. But Thailand usually doesn't have winters, to be frank. So in this area you probably will see, if you come by car, then taxi probably they can drop you nearby this particular place where I was saying that kids can swim. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I could not swim, so if you are coming with your kids, probably you can make sure you buy slippers instead of shoes so that you can enjoy with your kids at that place. And there is no restrictions in terms of who can enter this area, and even can enter even kids or aged people. You see this guy is enjoying the little swimming pool within the mall during hot summer day. I went here during April and May, and that weather is pretty much hot. Yeah, they have some nice place to sit as well while your kids are enjoying the swimming or playing in water. You can sit on this particular space, which is very nice. Alright, finally we are near to IKEA. This mall is very big. If you're coming, make sure you'll be walking a lot and getting tired. So this is the entrance of IKEA. IKEA is at the other side of the mall. Maybe you can also directly go by taxi or by your car to IKEA parking. IKEA have its own parking as well, so you can just drop by here in front of IKEA if you intend to go only to IKEA, or you want to go to the entrance which is close to IKEA. People usually buy their stuff and take it out and also load in this area. You see this car, so they have a new BMW version launched in this mall, and every time you go you will get a lot of fancy car in here. I always enjoy watching these cars because they are always, if a new car is being launched in Bangkok, it is always launched here. And in this particular area you will find a lot of malls, places like, I would say you will find all the famous shops here like Aldo, Gucci and all. And you will find Adidas Originals, and I think the price is almost same as in other malls in Bangkok. It's not like because a lot of tourists come here then you will see it's too expensive, but they tend to have the latest model and they tend to have less sales. Maybe most of the fresh items comes here. Sale item also are there. I have seen sales in here, but usually you will get all the fresh items and the new stuff from the brands. Right, I have already entered IKEA. In IKEA you see like they design it pretty well, so I personally go there when I'm planning to buy or do something new in my home. I go to see how they design and plan the room, and some of the stuff in my room is actually based on the ideas that I see in IKEA. And in IKEA you can get anything related to households. I think pretty much everything related to households you can see in IKEA, like sofa, curtains, full set of room. You can even say, okay, this is how I want my room, and IKEA will design for you. Other way is you can buy some stuff which actually fits in your room. I would recommend, if you're going there, you probably need to get the size at your home, and you can see which item fits in your room. They have 10 to 15 type for every item. For example, for tables they will have 10 to 15 types and different sizes, so you can select which one suits your need. You see this room, it's pretty much designed, and if you want a room like this, you just go and tell them, I want everything same like this in my room, and they will design for you. You will find I think every bedroom style. You will find bedroom for kids, you will find bedroom, your own bedroom, you will find kitchen, and also toilet designs. So they really help you when you just bought new home and you want to plan how you design your home or how it should look like, so you can see the real model of the home when you go there. I personally like IKEA because in IKEA they have very nice items. For example, I bought a table which can fold and convert to be a small table. So if you stay in condominium or in some small space, you can always go to IKEA and find items which are foldable. So you can pretty much see the bed which are foldable. You can find tables which are foldable. You can find even chairs that are foldable. So yeah, it's good for nuclear family. One thing to question, because IKEA designed these items specifically, and they tend to use good products as well, and they are a bit on higher side as compared to other places. Like this Kisok store, you can even design your home and also see what is the size of the item, what is the price of item, is it available or not. This room is for kids. You can see a dining room and all sorts of room. I think it's good for studio rooms, the way they design this, how you can efficiently use a studio room. This is another style of home or room that I like the most. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Yeah. Alright, this is one more style of the room, and I think this is how the kitchen should be designed, how you can put your cabinet and others. They have multiple other styles of kitchen. When you will walk around there, you will see that. So whenever you go to IKEA, at least take half a day when you're going to Mega Bangna or IKEA. Don't go like 1 or 2 hours, because the mall is pretty big. Even walking inside IKEA, it may take 1 or 2 hours for your time. Yeah, then after the rooms, you will see like individual stuff that you can buy. They have also design of outside chairs and table, and you also see like kitchen appliances and all. You also find a lot of stuff related to kids. See these small items that you can keep in kitchen. You can buy the whole set, even with the bowls and all. So tired now. I want to relax and sleep. It's too long distance. Yeah, now I'm entering this zone where you can buy beddings and bed. Yeah, this area you find the stuff related to your kids, so don't take your kids here or you will end up spending a lot of money in buying the toys for kids. I am almost going to exit off this floor, so this item all you see was on first floor, but there is also a ground floor of IKEA wherein you will see small items like bowls or like tablespoons and other stuff. This is the end of first floor where you also see the place to eat. Within IKEA you can eat food as well. You can get coffee as well as snacks after you are tired walking there. Then I moved down to ground floor wherein I bought some stuff related to my kitchen this time. Yeah, they have very neatly and nicely designed stuff which probably you will like. So sometimes, or initially when I was in Thailand, I used to go there and I always tend to buy a lot of items. IKEA also have one more service. You can also see stuff online and you can go to pick the stuff directly there. So one time I wanted to buy a table and I pretty much liked it, the dimensions as well. So I just booked online, and then when I went to IKEA, I just picked it outside. My car was in front of the IKEA counter. You can just load in your car. Alright, this is almost the end of my trip to Mega Bangna, and I think you probably like it, so go there, enjoy the place. I think I just covered only 50% of this place. There's a lot more stuff I didn't want it to show because they have Central and Home Pro as well. So if you go with the family, you can enjoy pretty much everything. Go for a half day or full day and spend your time. Next time I will come with another video related to Thailand. Until then,